What is this Golden Gate Bridge? Where is it situated? And many more fun facts about this Golden Gate Bridge. So this is Learning Cubs. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. And the link for the official WhatsApp group, official Learning Cubs WhatsApp group, the link will be down below in the description. Click and let's join to the group. Okay, let's go. The Golden Gate Bridge links the northern tip of the San Francisco Peninsula to Marin County. This suspension bridge is an iconic symbol of San Francisco, California. It spans the Golden Gate, the part of San Francisco Bay that opens to the Pacific Ocean. It took only 4 years to build and was opened in 1937 for traffic. The bridge itself was believed to be impossible to build, but after almost 100 years of discussion, it was completed. Prior to the Golden Gate Bridge, the only short way across the bay was by boat. A ferry ran from approximately 1820, but it wasn't until 1867 that a fully ferry service began. By the 1920s, this ferry company was the largest of its kind in the world. The ferry trip took 20 to 27 minutes depending on which route was taken to cross. It is possible to drive across the bridge in 10 minutes if there is no traffic. The speed limit is only 45 miles per hour to increase safety and reduce traffic accidents. Many said a bridge could not be built across the bay. There were strong winds, tides and currents, deep water that would prohibit such a project. Despite concerns, construction began in January 1933 and the bridge was opened to traffic on May 28, 1937. It only took 4 years to build. During its construction, 19 workers fell down, but luckily they were saved because of the safety nets. 11 men died during the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge. Even though it is named the Golden Gate Bridge, it is actually orange. This color was chosen because it was thought that it would blend well with the natural setting. The color also enhances its visibility to boaters. It is thought that it got the name Golden Gate because the harbor reminded a US Army captain of a harbor in Istanbul named the Golden Horn. In 1994, American Society of Civil Engineers named the Golden Gate Bridge as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. The total length of the bridge is 8,981 feet. It is 746 feet above the water. The roadway is hung by 2 cables. These cables are made of 27,572 strands of wire that pass through the 2 main towers. They are then fixed in concrete at each end. There are approximately 1.2 million rivets in the bridge towers, 600,000 in each. The suspension span of the bridge is 4,200 feet and was the longest suspension bridge until New York City's Verrazano Narrows Bridge opened in 1964. To build the bridge today, it would cost approximately $1.2 billion. It's estimated that more than 1.9 billion cars and vehicles have used the Golden Gate Bridge to cross San Francisco Bay. There are 6 lanes and walkways on either side. It has the unfortunate claim to being the second highest known common suicide site in the world. The Golden Gate Bridge appeared on the cover of Rolling Stone magazine on February 26, 1976. It was the backdrop for 5 well-known rock stars of the era. The Golden Gate Bridge has become a beloved symbol of the city of San Francisco and thousands of tourists come to see the bridge. So this is the story of Golden Gate Bridge and hope you have got something from this video. So if you have got something, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and get set with us. The link for the official Learning Cubs WhatsApp group will be down below on description. Click and get joined to the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video.